People are looking for these services. So if you're good at what you're doing, if you have the skills, go ahead and learn how to make cool cash from this skill. Have you thought about high income skills you can learn for free? Okay, in this video, I am going to share with you 10 high income skills you can learn for free and make your cool cash wherever you are. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, leave the notification button on, like and share my videos for educating videos like. So the first skill I'm going to look at is copywriting. Yeah, this is writing words that drive sales and marketing. Learn to craft compelling ads, emails, and websites that convert. Now the second one is photography. This is actually learning how to capture live moments with a camera, from portrait to landscapes. Learn skills to take stunning photos. Yeah. So we move to the next one that happens to be video editing. Yeah, that's another skill. So bringing video stories to life. So you have to learn how to cut, trim, and arrange footage for engaging videos. That's just it. That's what I do basically. And then public speaking is another skill, very important. Yeah, so learn how to speak confidently in front of people, engage, learn to persuade and inspire with your words. So if you're good at public speaking or you want to learn, you can make money out of it. That's another way to make money online, offline, wherever you are. Yeah, one of the skills. So we have the next one to be digital marketing. A lot of people talk about digital marketing and all. Okay, this is actually promoting products online. Learn to reach and convert audience with digital strategy. So you need to learn how to strategize, how to place ads and convert. So you need to learn how to reach the right audience. Yeah, for digital marketing, it's important to learn how to reach the right audience and the right ads, the right placements, strategy you can use to actually make sales online. Also, the next one is web development. For web development, this is building websites and web application. So you can learn how to code and create dynamic online experiences. It's free. You can go online and check for courses on web development. Is actually one of those skills you can go online, learn for free, and make money with cool cash from home. So we have the next one to be graphic designing. I've talked about this before. This is actually designing and communication. Okay, this is actually visual communication through design. You can learn to create logos, graphics, and visual elements. People are looking for these services. So if you're good at what you're doing, if you have the skills, go ahead and learn how to make cool cash from this skill. Have you also thought about game development? Creating interactive game. You can learn how to design, code, and build engaging games. It can be for kids, for adults. Yes, a lot of persons are also looking for this. So go ahead and learn the skill. It is quite lucrative. So you go ahead and learn this. I advise it's one of the free skills online. Go check. Scout, that's why we have Google and other platforms now where you can go search for courses, free courses, and learn how to develop game. It's also one means of making cool cash offline. Have you thought about it? If you haven't thought about it, so consider it today. And then the last one, we have software development. Well, basically building software applications. So you have to learn how to design, also code. Yeah, this also requires coding. And then deploy software. Go online too. I am just here to tell you the skills. So you do further research on how to get this done for free. In my next video, I'll try as much as possible to be more detailed. I will bring those websites. I will give you the link on the description section. So you go ahead and scout. Look for those websites. Cool cash from the comfort of your home. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave a comment behind. Thank you for watching. I love you.